Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study work hard. First, let's lay the groundwork for success. Find a quiet, dedicated spot where you can focus without interruptions. Next, develop a regular study routine, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours each day. Finally, before you begin, clearly define what you aim to accomplish in that session, making your efforts more targeted and effective. Now, let's dive into how to truly engage with your study material. Don't just passively read, actively highlight important points and jot down notes. After reviewing, try to explain the concepts aloud or write them down in your own words. This process solidifies your understanding. Regularly quiz yourself, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes, to ensure information retention and identify areas needing more attention. Efficient time management is crucial for working hard without burning out. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of intense focus followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Prioritize your tasks, tackling the most important ones first. Remember, focus on one subject at a time to maximize your learning and productivity. Finally, to sustain your hard work, consistent review and self-care are essential. Dedicate about 30 minutes each week to revisit older topics, strengthening your memory. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly. It's vital for cognitive function. Also, integrate short bursts of physical activity, like a 10-minute walk, to refresh your mind and maintain high energy levels throughout your study journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.